Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafternoons. I'm Miss Kimberly and I'm with the Ponte Vedra Beach branch of the St. Johns County Public Libraries, and we are here again to do another Crafternoon activity for our school-age children. So it's February and a special day in February is coming up, and that is Valentine's Day. And it's a great day to make little crafts for classmates and people in your house that you just want to tell them how much you love them or like them. So our craft today is going to be a bee, a little Valentine bee, and he is made out of hearts. So it'll be something that you can do with us here on this craft, and you can then repeat it and make as many of these at home as you would like to make. And let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started on our wonderful little bee Valentine craft. So if you were somebody who came to our branch, one of our branches, and picked up the craft kit, it would look something like this. And inside is everything that you would need to make the craft. If you didn't have a kit, that's fine. You can do this at home. And we'll show you all the things that you need. So when you empty out your kit, you will see you have 2 black antennae, 2 eyeballs. But again, if you're making this at home and you didn't get eyeballs, you could make these out of paper or you could draw them on, so that's not a problem. And then we have 2 black hearts, we have 2 yellow hearts, and we have 2 red hearts. So now we're going to put our bee together. And if you look, our bee has a pattern, so we're going to repeat that pattern. And the first thing we'll do is start with a black heart. So let's put some glue at the top of your black heart. After you do that, we're going to add the next part of the pattern, which is yellow. Black, yellow. What would come next? Black, yellow, and then another black. It's already looking like a bumblebee to me. Black, yellow, black. And then one more on the top, yellow. So if you don't have this kit and you have these colors at home, you could make a heart shape pattern, trace them out and cut them yourself. If you don't even have these colors, you could always do it on white paper and color them in, the yellow, the black, the red with crayons. So that's pretty easy to do. So everyone can do this craft with us. Okay, so here's our bumblebee, but he needs to buzz and fly around. So we have the red heart wings. So we're going to put a little more glue onto the wing, and we're going to attach it just like that. Quick and easy. He has 2 wings, so we'll do the other side, a little more glue, and we're going to attach it just like that. Wow, it really does look like a bumblebee now, but our bumblebee needs to be able to see who he's flying to send this Valentine. So let's put some eyes on there. And again, if you don't have any, you can just you can draw them on, or you can cut some out. However you want to do it, it's fine. I don't know if the glue stick works the best for that, but that's okay. Maybe we'll take a little bit of the bottle glue and we'll just put a dab on there. And do the other one, a little dab. A little dab will do ya. Perfect. Now our bumblebee, he needs a smile because he's happy it's Valentine's Day. So we give him a smile. And I thought, well, you know what? Why don't we give him little heart cheeks too? This is great practice for drawing all your Valentine hearts today. And we'll color those in. Oh, he looks so happy. So our bumblebee now is just missing his antennae. So we're going to attach these. I like to give them a little twist. Okay. And then this, we're going to put some glue on. This will take a few minutes for these to dry because the glue is wet. So we got to be patient with that. So I'm going to put some glue on them. And I'm going to stick it under there. And I'm going to stick the other one over here. And I'm going to push down on it just a little bit to help the glue attach. But we have to be patient. So we have to let it sit there maybe on your workspace for just a little while so that this will glue on there. In the meantime, what we can do is make the little hearts that go on top of his antennae. So get your scissors, and I gave you a piece of scrap red paper. And what you can do is trace a heart onto that paper and then we can cut it out. And if you fold your paper in half like I did, when you cut it out, you'll get 2 hearts that look the same. So you only have to cut out 1 time to get 2 hearts. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut out our hearts, and here we go. Take our time to make that shape. Okay, so now we have 2 little hearts that we're gonna put on the end of his antenna. And this is gonna take a few minutes to dry too, so we just have to be patient. You know how glue does that. It just takes a little bit of time. Okay, now we're gonna get our next heart, put a little more glue on there, and put it on his antenna. Oh, he is beautiful. I think now what we can do is we're gonna write a little message, and because it's a bee, I thought this would be fun. We'd write bee with 2 E's like the bumblebee, my Valentine. Isn't that cute? And you can write whatever you want on there and come up with some pretty clever sayings. You can sign it with your name, or you could put the person you're giving it to. You could even put the names on the wings if you wanted to do that. So you can make lots and lots of these Valentines for everyone special in your life this Valentine's Day. You guys did an amazing job. So thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon. Hope you all are going to be amazing this week. And we'll see you in a couple weeks for the next Crafternoon. Thanks for joining us. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everybody.